Hello, assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my YouTube channel How to Learn. So today we are going to discuss how we can do the FotoApp photo editing, inspire effects, blur photo. So guys, still you do not like and subscribe, and if you want to do like this, so we can do easily. So this is very amazing to use. So still you do not like and subscribe my channel, first go and like and subscribe. And if you want to install this application, you can install by the given link in the description. So guys, we can change the background as well. You can see here easily we can change the background, we can do the motion. You can see here we can do the motion as well as we can do the capacity as well, and spiral we can do as well. As here are the many things to do. So if you want to save, so we can save this. If you want to exit, so we can exit. So these are the options for use this. Skip add, spiral effect, spiral, edit, collage, drip and backgrounds. These are the effects for use. We have seen this. Edit, if you want to edit any picture, so we can edit easily. And collage we can do the collage of many pictures. Okay, 50 maximum picture we can take. Next, easily we can collage. Okay, and inside you can change. If you want to change, you can change this. Textile, stickers, if you want to put backgrounds we can take. We can change the effects. If you want to save, so click on here. If you want to exit, so you have to click on exit. So this is very amazing app to use, and as well as you can do the drip effects. Drip effects we can do is easily. We can put backgrounds, we can put. So this is very fantastic to make. Still you do not like and subscribe, first go and like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.